Okay, looking ahead to the week ahead, or I guess this is the first day of the new week. It's chilly out there.
It is, yeah. I mean, especially in the mornings, that's when you really need to bundle up because that's obviously your low temperatures, stronger wind chill. So, yeah, definitely stay warm these next 7+ days, honestly. I mean, this is a cold forecast for a while here. This is a live look at the Memphis International Airport. A nice sunset. You wouldn't know it was so wintry if, you didn't know, as there's really not a cloud in the sky right now. So nice colors here, sun going down right now. Temperatures are currently in the 30s area wide, low 30s for the most part. If you're in Memphis, 32 degrees, Corinth 34, Blytheville 31. So most spots are at or just below freezing, and obviously those temperatures are going to keep falling off tonight. Winds about 10 to 15 miles an hour, so there is a wind chill factor. You know, the sun makes it feel okay if you're out of the wind, but then once the wind hits you, it feels much colder. So yeah, another very cold night coming up after a pretty cold day. We're going to get a reinforcing shot of cold air tomorrow from this front up here to the north. That's going to flip our winds back out of the north, and it's going to keep us in the 30s, possibly low 40s range all the way through Tuesday. So clear skies today. We'll see increasing clouds tomorrow with lows dropping down into the mid-20s tonight, especially eastern Arkansas, mid-20s, West Tennessee, mid to low 20s, depending on exactly where you are. North Mississippi, low 20s for the most part, some spots in the mid-20s. So again, a very cold night again overnight tonight. And here's a look at that front that moves through. So we've had a series of cold fronts move through. It's the reason for the cold temperatures. Future wind gusts are going to be not very much of a factor tomorrow morning. But you see up here, that's that front. And so mid-morning, the front moves in, winds will pick up a bit, and that's going to make things feel colder tomorrow. Tomorrow during the day, a very similar day to today before winds die down tomorrow night. Forecast highs pretty much similar, mid-30s, low 40s with increasing clouds, winds out of the north at 5 to 10 miles an hour. And we mentioned the cold temperatures. We're also tracking the chance of some wintry weather next weekend possibly. We're at least trending in that direction. Midweek, we'll see some rain. That's what this is. This is just cold rain, I think. It shouldn't be an issue in terms of any winter weather. But there's been a big uptrend in terms of the possibilities of winter weather next weekend as a big system moves in Saturday. This has changed a lot in terms of the model runs today. So you can see all the winter precipitation this is putting out right now, this being snow, this being a mix, and then of course rain to the south of that. So a lot of things could change. You know, it's something we're keeping a close eye on, but just know that there is a possibility that we could see wintry impacts next weekend, primarily on Saturday. Here's a look at your 10-day forecast. Very cold. I mean, we are not warm here. 35 for your high tomorrow, 41 on Tuesday, mid-40s on Wednesday. And then end of the week, we bring another cold front in, another blast of cold air. That'll cool us down to the mid-30s for highs on Saturday, possibly colder. Same with Sunday, mid to upper 30s, possibly colder. And we're tracking the chance of a wintry mix next weekend. Friday would be the earliest, but Saturday is probably going to be the day for that. Again, we'll keep a close eye on it.
It looks like a fairly busy week ahead.
A very wintry week ahead.
You'll be busy.
For sure.
All right, Max, thanks.